Hi, my name is Mario Alberto Salcido, and I'm a freelance multimedia designer. I have 11 years experience in film and video production and desktop publishing. Today I want to talk to you about how to sell your graphics online. Okay, in order to sell your graphics online, you will obviously need a computer, some design software, and some creative ability. The first step is to get internet so that you can go online and find specific venues as to where you can sell these graphics at. Some of the most popular places to sell graphics are iFreelance. I've even heard of people selling graphics on Craigslist. It just usually depends on what specific target market you're looking for. Now, the second step to selling graphics online is to build your own website to promote yourself. Once you create that website, make sure you upload all your examples, your portfolio samples of previous work that you've done, or it could also just be work that you created on your own just to kind of show off your skill set. Now, the third step to selling your graphics online is to do as much research as you possibly can in order to get yourself out there. You basically research all the companies that you'd like to sell your graphics to and contact them. My name is Mario Alberto Salcido, and thank you very much for watching this video.